Ostriches are large flightless birds. There are two living species of ostrich, the common ostrich and the Somali ostrich. They are native to Africa and lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. They can run at the speed of 70 km per hour. They are the fastest bird on land. They are found worldwide, particularly for their feathers, as they are used as decoration and feather dusters. Their skin is also used for leather products. Ostriches are notable for being the heaviest living birds. Ostrich mainly eats plants, leaves, fruits, flowers, but it also eats small insects and lizards. A male ostrich is called as a rooster, and a female ostrich is called as a hen. An ostrich can live 40 to 50 years in average.